Hi, welcome to the LiveOps DR Test Mode 2.0 Writable Snapshots overview. So let's see how quick and easy it is to set up a writable snapshot dev test environment. So you'll see here in the DR Assistant, we've got a new tab called Writable Snapshots. And I'll just quickly go over to the cluster and show what I've done before getting started here. So I've got an access zone created anywhere you want in the file system. So mine's called DR Test. I've also attached an IP pool to this so I can mount shares or exports. So I've already gone ahead and done that. So we'll go back here. So the goal is to be able to create a test copy of data but consume no space. So let's see how easy that is. So you click the button, you pick the cluster, copy config. This will auto detect the shares, exports, and quotas and clone them to the correct relative path so that you can mount the same shares and exports, the same security, but it'll be in the correct access zone. So I'll keep that checked. So now I need to pick the location where I want to test. So all my data is under here. And I have one share in my case. So we'll use this path here. So there's all my data. I'm going to select this path. So where do I want to create my test area? So I'm going to pick my new access zone. And you have to enter a subpath because you have to create a directory where the snapshot gets mounted. So I'll just call this DevOps. And I hit submit. And that's it. It's done. It's now going to copy or clone my configuration into that access zone. So we'll let that step finish. And we'll go over to a Windows client. And I've got a Smart Connect name. I've got a share. Takes a bit of time because it's got to enumerate the data in the original snapshot. And that's it. This is my writable copy. So I can start to delete data. So for instance, I'll delete something here. Now, that looked pretty simple, but the snapshot didn't exist. So Eyeglass will create the snapshot. If you have a snapshot, it'll just use a snapshot. It'll detect this automatically. So we'll just go ahead and delete this data here. So it looks like I'm deleting data, which I am. But if we look at the original source location, we'll see that data is still there. So we'll let this finish. Let's open up another Explorer. And you'll notice all the data is still there. There was quite a bit of stuff to delete, but the point here is my writable snapshot allows me to do testing and I'm not affecting the source path at all. So let's go back. So now I have my writable snapshot. If I want to rerun this test again, then I can simply delete my writable snapshot. I'm going to delete the snapshot and the configuration data. So I'm going to do that. So there we go. Close my Explorers. So done. So now my test area is gone. So now I'll simply recreate it. same path. DevOps. Submit. So let that run. So in this scenario, I've deleted some of my test data. I'd like to refresh my test environment. So let's go take a look. So DevOps. There's my share. See, the data is now back because I snapshotted from the source, and the source, the data was never deleted, and I can rerun my tests. That's it. Pretty quick and simple.